this is Rhiyaa. Let us see about climate change. Definition of climate change. Our atmosphere is getting hotter, more turbulent and more unpredictable because of the boiling and churning effect caused by the heat-trapping gases within the upper layer of our atmosphere. Even the change in climate happened actually 30 years once, but now it's happening monthly, twice or thrice. So this is known as climate change. Now I request my friend Anuvarsha to explain about climate change.
Hello, this is Anuvarsha and I'm going to present you some causes due to climate change locally with some pictures. Climate change locally. Locally, when we see at a locality, we have a lot of things to say about climate change. So we are going to list some of them. No rain, no water. Scientists say that even underground water will not be available in the upcoming years. A lot of factories. A lot of smoke released. Cutting of trees for extension of roads. No dustbins, therefore they burn the trash. Burning of fossil fuels nearby the forests. A lot of population producing pollution on the roads. Usage of vehicles to nearby places. These are some causes about our locality's condition. I have attached some pics related to the climate change locally. In the first pic, you could see that the road is completely covered with trees on both of the sides. In the second pic, you could see the same road is covered with a lot of houses. When we come to the next pic, we could clearly observe that the drought and the flood. There are two different disasters at the same time. Coal industry, Coimbatore. In this pic, you could see that the smoke produced by the industry covers the air completely. Cutting out trees for road extension. No trees, no photosynthesis, then no oxygen. Garbage in the rivers. Kill the wildlife. Now, I conclude the topic climate change locally, and the next topic, impact of climate change, will be explained by my friend, Ms. Pradakshina.
I'm Pradakshina and I'm going to explain you about impact of climate and weather change. Increase in heat waves. Melting of Arctic and Antarctic region. Due to the heat, the Arctic and Antarctic regions glaciers melt away. Increase in sea levels. Due to the meltdown of Arctic and Antarctic glaciers, the sea level increases, which may lead to flooded cities. Heavy precipitation. Thank you.
Good morning, friends. I am Subham from West Bengal, India. Before starting our journey, let's know about the points we are going across today. Weather and climate. Elements of weather and climate. Ozone layer. Greenhouse effect. Ozone layer depletion. Global warming. Cause, effect and prevention. Weather and climate. Weather. Short-term atmospheric condition of a small area. Climate. Long-term atmospheric condition of a large area. Elements of weather and climate. Temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity, precipitation, clouds, solar radiation. Temperature, degree of hotness or coldness of the air. Measuring device, 6 thermometer. Atmospheric pressure, weight of air on a unit area of Earth's surface. Measuring device, barometer and barograph. Wind, horizontal movement of air from high pressure areas to low pressure areas. Measuring device. Anemometer for wind speed, wind vane for wind direction. Humidity, amount of water vapor present in the air. Measuring device. Hygrometer. Precipitation, fall of product from condensation, rain, snow, hail to the ground. Measuring device, rain gauge. Clouds, tiny droplet of water vapor too small to fall, stick to bits of dust, ice or sea salt and float. Measuring device. Celiometer. Solar radiation. Electromagnetic radiation emitted by sun. Measuring device. Pyranometer for diffused sunlight. Pyrheliometer for direct sunlight. Ozone layer. Layer of atmosphere present in stratosphere made of ozone gas with opposite effect of other greenhouse gas by diluting the solar radiation. Greenhouse effect. Some solar radiation passed by atmosphere layer of greenhouse gas is absorbed and re-emitted in all directions by clouds and greenhouse gases. Some is stored by the earth insolation and reflected back to the atmosphere in all directions. Terrestrial radiation. Ozone layer depletion. Destruction of ozone layer due to man-made pollutants by thinning the ozonosphere. Global warming. Excessive concentration of greenhouse gases due to human activities leads to excessive trapping of heat that resulted in gradual increase in temperature. Causes. Deforestation, electromagnetic rays by sun, fossil fuel combustion, burning of waste, use of fertilizers, transportation, industries, human and animal respiration, decomposition, volcanic eruption, wildfire, refrigerants. Effects. Melting of glaciers, change in rainfall pattern, extremes of weather phenomena, increase in length of orbit, axial precession, change in speed of Earth's movement, shortage of fresh water, increase in sea water level, increase in flood, increase in insect, increase in viruses and spread of infection, soil erosion and loss of vegetative cover. Skin disease, decrease in agriculture output, extinction of some plants and animal species. Prevention, use renewable energy, off the switches when not in use, afforestation and check deforestation, use of biofertilizers, reduce, reuse and recycle. Reduce use of refrigerants, walk or cycle for small distances, use public transportation. Renewable energy, solar energy, wind energy, biomass energy, geothermal energy, tidal energy, and hydro energy. Forestation. Fastest growing plant in the world. Bamboo. Hybrid poplar. Eastern cottonwood. Acacia. Kudzu. Thank you.
Hi friends, I'm Kiran Manjari. Today I'm going to talk about the fastest growing plants in India. So before that, I'm going to say what is meant by climate change. A long-term change of the Earth's overall temperature with massive and permanent ramifications. This is known as climate change. So come, let's see what is the three fastest growing plants in India. The first fastest growing plant in India is bamboo. Bamboo is the fastest growing plant in the world. Due to unique resource-dependent system, certain species of bamboo can grow 910 mm, that is 36 inch within 24 hours. Giant bamboos are the largest of the grass family. The rapid growth and tolerance make bamboos a good candidate for afforestation, carbon sequestration, and climate change mitigation. The scientific name of bamboo is Bambusoideae. It is from the family Poaceae. Bamboos are evergreen perennial flowering plants. Bamboo is a member of grass family. Now, the second fastest growing plant in India is Indian wild cherry. The species is widely cultivated in other regions and has become naturalized in North America and Australia. The Indian wild cherry tree's hard reddish brown wood is used to make timber. Wild cherry trees' hard reddish brown wood is used to make timber, and the gum from the bark is the substitute for chewing gum. Medicines can be prepared from the stalks of this Indian wild cherry tree. The third fastest growing tree is neem tree. Diracha indica is commonly known as neem tree. It is one of two species from the genus Azadirachta and is native to Indian subcontinent. It is typically grown in tropical and semi-tropical regions. Neem trees also grow in islands located in the southern part of the Iran. Its fruits and seeds are source of the neem oil. Neem is the fastest growing tree that can reach a height of 15 to 20 meters and rarely 35 to 40 meters. It is evergreen, but in severe drought, it may shed most or nearly all of its leaves. The dried leaves is used in cupboards to prevent insect eating the clothes. The tender shoots and the flowers of neem tree are eaten as vegetable in India. A soup-like dish called Veppampu char made of the flower of neem is prepared in